Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the 3-point starter used in the DC motor. So, the starter is used to limit the armature current during the starting of the motor, and also it is act as a protective device. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. The soft copy of this material available in the description box is available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic. So, the point a 3-point starter is nothing but a adding the resistance. So, this is nothing but a series resistance RS. The tappings are available so that we can increase or decrease the resistance connected to the armature circuit. So, this is a series resistance. So, this type of starter used for shunt motor as well as the compound motor. The shunt motor, here the diagram given for shunt motor. Shunt motor means this is the armature rotating part, this is the field coil, stationary part, both are connected in parallel. So, that is called as a shunt motor. Shunt means the armature and field are connected in parallel. Now, we will see the diagram. So, this is the DC supply is available. It is given through the DP-DST switch and as well as the fuse, right. It is a normal connection. Here we have the OLR is available, overload relay. This one electromagnet is there, the coils are available. When the current is flowing through the coil, it become electromagnet. So, that is connected to the spring handle, the starter handle. Here one iron, moving iron is available. When it is electromagnet, this moving iron is attracted, so that this become the short circuit. Short circuit means that is given to the NVR. NVR is no voltage relay, right. We will see this operation one by one. So, here we have OLR, so electromagnet available connected in series with the supply, another end is connected to the starter handle. Here one moving iron is there. When OLR is energized, this moving iron is attracted. So, these two terminals are short circuited, that is nothing but it will short circuit the NVR, no voltage relay. Now, we will see the other connections. So, from the supply it is given to the starter handle, right. So, at this point, if the starter handle is placed at this point, the entire resistance is connected, right. Other end it is going to the armature. So, the full resistance is connected, only limited current will flow, the supply is given through this resistor. So, the voltage will be dropped, only limited current will flowing through the armature. If the starter handle is keep on moving in the clockwise direction, so this is a start position, while moving clockwise direction, the resistance decreases, so that the armature current increases. At this point, while moving at this point, this supply is directly connected to the armature, all the resistors are reduced, so that it will take the rated armature current, right. So, the during beginning it will draw only limited amount of armature current, that is our aim, to limit the armature current we are using this starter. So, by slowly rotating this starter handle in clockwise position, the armature resistance slowly decreases and armature current slowly increases. So, at this position it will take the rated armature current and motor will rotate. So, this is the soft iron piece is there. So, here is a no voltage relay is there, it is energized, so that the soft iron is attracted by this NVR relay. So, it will hold. So, the starter handle is, the soft iron piece is attracted by the NVR. So, the starter handle always placed in the run position during the rotation of the motor. During the operation of the motor, the starter handle at the run position, that is this electromagnet attract the soft iron, so that it is held in the run position. Now, we will see this NVR where it is connected. See, this is connected to the field winding. The coil in the no voltage relay is connected to the field winding. So, this one end is connected here, another end is connected to the beginning of the resistor, right. So, now we will see what is the function of this NVR and what is the function of this the OLR. First, we will see the NVR, no voltage relay. So, it is connected through the field winding, right. So, the first one, if the supply voltage is low, right, when the supply voltage is there is no voltage is there, then what will happen, the current drawn by this current flowing through the field winding also decreases. so that the strength of this magnet will decreases. so it become demagnetized, so that it will release the soft ion. The soft ion is held by the electromagnet, while demagnetizing, what will happen? It will release, so that the starter handle will move from start to run to start position. It is disconnected. The supply is disconnected to the motor even during the no load, no voltage condition. If the low voltage is very less, what will happen? The current flowing through the field winding decreases, so that this become the demagnetized. This already electromagnet is demagnetized, so that it will release the soft ion piece, so that this goes to the original position, off position. The supply is disconnected. And another operation of this NVR is, suppose if the field winding is open, the field winding always should be in a closed condition in order to limit the speed. If the flux is 0, the speed will be is infinite, dangerous, right? N is directly proportional to 1 divided by pi. Both are inversely proportional. So, the always there should be some flux will be there. If the flux is 0, speed will be infinite, the motor will run at the dangerous speed, right? So, if there is any open circuit in this field winding, what will happen? This field winding is connected to the no voltage relay. So, if any open in the field winding, there is no current flow in the NVR, so that it become demagnetized. At the time also it will release the soft ion piece, so the starter handle will go to the off position. So, during entire running condition, the soft ion is held by the electromagnet, it is in the run condition. During abnormal condition, it will release the soft ion piece, so that the starter handle will go to the original position. That is, it disconnect the supply. The motor is disconnected from the supply, right? So, this NVR doing two different operation. One is when the supply side, if the voltage reduces, the current drawn by the NVR reduces, it become demagnetized. So, it will release the starter handle, so that motor is disconnected from the supply. Another one, if the field winding is open, any chance for any possibility of opening of field winding, at that time also the current flowing through the electromagnet is less, so that it become demagnetized, it release the soft ion piece, starter handle will go to the original position. So, the supply is disconnected, right. We have another one, OLR is there, overload relay. Suppose the motor draws the more amount of current, already we discussed the no load, less voltage is there. Now, over voltage, if the over current is flowing through this electromagnet, what will happen? Through the coil, what will it become electromagnet. So, this ion piece is attracted by the OLR. If ion piece is attracted, mean this terminal is short circuited. These two terminal connected in the NVR, no voltage relay. If the NVR terminals are short circuited, mean it will become demagnetized. There is no current flow, so it demagnetized. At the time also, it will release the soft ion piece of the starter handle, so that the supply is disconnected from the motor is disconnected from the supply, right. So, during overload, more current will flow through the OLR, so it become electromagnet, so that will attract this ion piece. When it is attracted, this terminal is short circuited, that means that the current flowing through this NVR is short circuited, so that there is no current flow, it become demagnetized. So, it will release the soft ion piece of the starter handle. So, the starter handle will move from run position to off position, so that the supply is disconnected to the motor, right. So, here this resistors used to limit the armature current, slowly decreasing the resistor, the armature current increases. That is the main function of the starter, to limit the armature current. Another three functions also available. One is, if field winding is open, at the time this NVR will act as a NVR will protect the device, protect the motor from the damage, and also no voltage as well as over voltage. All the three functions also done by this starter. Now, we will see the description one by one. 3-point starter is used for starting DC shunt and compound motors. L, A and F are the 3 points of the 3-point starter. The hold on coil or NVR, no voltage release, is connected in series with the shunt field. we already discussed, it is connected in series. The function of NVR is that when the supply voltage is low or there is a failure of supply, current through the NVR reduces, and so that its strength is decreases, and hence the starter handle is returned to the off position. Another function of NVR is that in case of disconnection of the field, previous one no voltage or low voltage, now there is a disconnection of field due to the internal failure of the control arm, the starter return to the off position, hence the protect from the motor from overspeeding, right. So, the NVR doing two different function, one is any problem in the field winding or the supply voltage is less, at the time it will release the starter handle to original position and disconnect the motor from the supply. Now, we will see the overload protection is incorporated by means of the OLR, overload release. OLR is an electromagnet, is connected in series with the armature. It is connected in series with the armature. When the motor overloaded, it draws a high current. This heavy current flows through the OLR and it gets energized. Then pull the iron piece upward so that it is short circuited. Short circuit the coil, hold on the electromagnet. So, NVR is de-energized and starter arm return to the off position. So, the motor is protected from the overload. So, this is OLR used for overload, over voltage. If over voltage is there, it will protect the device. It is seen from the diagram when the starter handle is at run position. During the entire operation, the starter handle at run position, the field current has to travel through the portion of the starting resistance. So, during that the starter handle put in the run position, but it is connected through the series field winding. So, the entire field current is flowing through the starting resistance from the armature circuit. This is result in the slight decrease in the field current. This field current is flowing through the armature, this starting resistance, so that there may be a possibility of decrease in the field current. So, the field strength will decreases, right. To avoid this, this can be reduced by using brass arc as shown in the diagram. In the diagram, one brass arc is available. So, during the running position, the current is flowing through the brass arc. So, this is nothing but a brass arc. So, after the motor is rotating, we can transfer the control from this resistor to the brass arc, so that the current is flowing through the brass arc. There is no limit. If the current is flowing through this arm, this starting resistance, the field winding field current will reduces, so that it will reduce the field strength, right. So, during the running condition, we can control the transfer to brass arc, so that the entire current will flowing through the field winding, so that we can increase the field strength. Now, we will see the some disadvantages available. While controlling the speed of the motor above rated, field current is reduced by adding an extra resistance in series with the field winding. Suppose if you want to go for a above rated speed, we need to reduce the field current by adding the resistance, but the NCR is in series with the field winding. This NCR is connected, no current relay is connected in series with the this NCR is connected. When the field current reduces, the current through the NCR also reduces, so that it is demagnetized and starter handle return to the original position, off position, right. This NVR is connected, no voltage relay is connected to the field winding. So, for a above rated speed, if you want to reduce the field current, we need to add some more resistance. So, while adding some more resistance, field current decreases. This NVR, not NCR, is NVR, no voltage relay. The current through the no voltage relay decreases, so that there is a possibility of the demagnetizing the NVR and the starter position return to the off condition. So, effective field control cannot be done, right. So, that we can go up to rated speed only, we cannot go for a above rated speed. The field control is not effectively done. In order to avoid this, 4-point starter is used. In 4-point starter, the field winding is connected separately, not in series with the NVR, right. For that purpose we are going for a 4-point starter. So, in this video we discuss about the operation of 3-point starter in order to decrease the starting current, as well as it is used for no voltage, over voltage and field, any problem in the field winding. It will protect the motor from the this protective, it will also act as a protective device. Some disadvantages available: the field winding is connected in series with the NVR. In order to avoid that, we can go for 4-point starter. So, 4-point starter video available separately. The details available in the description box. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.